Where do we come from? How did we get here? Why is the universe so complex? Where do we fit in the natural order? Why do we see the same shapes and patterns again and again at vastly different sizes? A fractal is a never-ending pattern that repeats itself at different scales. Fractals are made up of copies of the same shape, copies that grow smaller and smaller. We can create purely geometrical fractals that go on forever by repeating a simple shape. Or we can make fractals with algebra, like this Mandelbrot set, by calculating a simple formula over and over. Or we can draw them. Or we can hike in them. Natural fractals are all around us, and they tell us rich stories of the processes that created them. A river network or watershed is eroded by repeated rainfall flowing downhill for eons. And when the water reaches the sea, it branches in a fractal river delta. And inside our bodies, we depend on fractals to bring blood to our every cell through ever smaller fractal blood vessels. Inside our brains, the fractal branching of our neurons forms incredibly complex networks. These neural networks allow us to create and experience art, science, technology, even abstract mathematics and fractals. And further, the very organization of life on our planet follows a fractal pattern in the branching of our evolutionary family tree. Formed by the endless repetition of generations through natural selection, this family tree shows how new species are formed and how we connect to our ancestors and cousins. And it all begins by repeating a simple process. That's the power of fractals.